Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome to Bully Kids channel. And on this series I talk about all the wheel setups I've ran on my 8th gen Honda Civic. We talk about the pros, the cons, do I recommend them, what would work better instead. So stick around guys, we'll get on to the next episode 8 right now. This is crazy and we got plenty more to go. And clearly I've been wasting a lot of money on these wheels, right? Hey, sponsor. Hey, sponsor. Alright guys, so the wheel we're talking about today is from the Acura TL Type S that was made in the 3rd generation of the Acura TL line. It was from 2004 to 2008. Now this wheel right here is 17 by 8 inches wide with a 45mm offset. It is a cast aluminum wheel. It does also come with factory tires of sizes 235, 45, 17, which I think are too fat, but we'll talk about that continuing on here. So stick around guys, and I'm going to tell you guys whether I really like this setup or I really hated it. But I did run 2 different sets of tires with this wheel setup, so we will be able to compare the fatter tires and the skinnier tires. So let's get it. Alright, here it is, the 3rd generation Acura TL Type S with the legendary waffle weevil wheels. Now, best Acura in my opinion, best Acura TL made to date. We take those wheels, we throw them on our 8th gen Civics, and our 8th gen Civics look like $1 million right now. Much better looking, much cleaner looking. The fit and finish of these wheels was overall very nice on our cars, gave a nice abstract look. So quite simply, I picked up a used set of wheels and tires and I mounted them on my vehicle. It was time for my Evo 8 wheels to finally go and find a better home. So we threw these on. They fit perfectly as they are the same bolt pattern and they have a direct fit on our hub. The tires, although they're 235 45s, they did fit without rubbing. However, as you can see in some of these pictures, there is a lot of tire on the factory suspension. So unless you want to lower the car, it's gonna look a little bit beefy, kind of like a monster truck. And if you did decide to lower it, there might be rubbing issues, especially from the front of the vehicle. So here I swapped the tires to 215 45 17s, and overall the car had much better handling, much better feedback from the smaller tires. And here's a video of the car on TL Type S wheels with the 215 45 17-inch tires on the factory ride. So if you were to run this setup, I highly recommend it. You do definitely see a wheel gap now, but I know everybody's going to be lowering their vehicle anyway. So with this tire and with this wheel, with the drop, you are looking at being very, very flush without having to roll your quarter panels, without having to pull the fenders or do negative camber and camber arms. So it's going to be a very simple bolt-on setup. I love the contrast from the wheels to the car's paint. The window tints definitely do help enhance that, and it's just a good looking wheel overall. I really liked it. I really like running them. The 8-inch wheel definitely helps with handling as well. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this episode. Stick around, we got plenty more to go. Let me know in the comment section below whether you guys ever ran these wheels, if you like them. What do you guys think about those wheels on my car? I personally really like them overall. I wish they had a little bit more concavity in them, a little bit more depth. But overall, the series was good. I know they remind me a lot like the Volkswagen GTI MK, I believe 7 or 6 wheels. They did have a similar wheel. I'll post that up right now. I would think these wheels would be like a little bit of forged material on them just because they were so special coming from the TL Type S line, but unfortunately they were not. Overall, still a good wheel setup to run in your vehicle. Make sure you guys stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, because episode 9 is right around the corner. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.